Hello guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the 16-inch MacBook Pro bought from the original Apple Refurbished website. Here we see the original Apple Mac stamp. The unboxing experience has remained the same throughout the years, with all the bells and whistles that one can find in an Apple box. Let's unpeel the MacBook now. Even though this MacBook was not listed for the best price ever, I still decided to buy it to put it against the new MacBooks with Apple Silicon processors. Additionally, I wanted to see whether this MacBook with its features can still hold up against the newer processors and whether it has advantages over them. Here are some black Apple stickers that represent the Pro logo. And next up we find a 100-watt charger that can supply the MacBook with enough power. So this is the MacBook guys, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one.